Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download, extract, modify a file for Arma 3 Exile and then repack it into a new PBO and upload it to your server again. So right now I am in my FTP program and I'm connected to a Arma 3 Exile server, and the first thing I'm going to do is download the DMS AI mod or script. I want to modify some settings in this. So I've created a folder on my desktop called temp, and I'm going to download the PBO file into that temp folder. And then what I will do is go to that temp folder. So now I already have PBO Manager installed. So a lot of people in the tutorials will tell you to double click on it to open up the PBO file in PBO Manager, expand it, and find the file that you want to customize, and then copy it out and then paste it into the location and then copy it back into the PBO. This is very confusing, and I don't like working with the same PBO file because there's too much room for error when you're copying things back in. Honestly, the hands down easiest, least complicated way of doing this is to just extract the whole PBO into a folder, then delete the PBO. So I'll show you how that's done. You right click on the PBO file that you downloaded. You'll have this context menu for PBO Manager, and you'll have options here: extract to, extract to current folder, or extract to A3 DMS. So if you select this top one, you'll be able to pick a folder to extract all the files that are inside the PBO to. If you select this middle one, it's going to put all the files from this PBO into the current folder that the PBO is sitting in. We don't want that. It's going to make a mess of things, and it's going to be really hard to pack it back up later on. What we want is extract to A3 DMS. Right? So we'll click on that. It's going to run its extraction process, and now you see we have a folder called A3 DMS, and inside this folder we have all of the folders and file structure that's inside the PBO, exactly how it is inside the PBO. So now we can go in and find the file that we want to edit, and we can open it up with Notepad++ or whatever your editor of choice is. Now we can go down and we can change all the settings that we want, and when we're done we can save the file, close it, go back up so you can see this, delete your old PBO, it's no longer needed, right click on the folder that the PBO Manager created and do pack into a3dms.pbo. It will generate a brand new PBO based on the folder, and if you go inside this PBO with PBO Manager, you'll see that it looks just like it did before, which is exactly what we want. That is the gist of it. Once you've done this, you can now upload this file, this new PBO file, to your FTP again, or through your FTP to your server again, replacing the one that's on your server. Be sure that your server is turned down before you upload the file. It won't allow you to overwrite files that are in use. So you'll want to make sure you've shut down your server before you try to update any of the files. And that's basically the easiest, least complicated way of doing it while giving you access to everything that you need without doing any extra jumps or hoops or anything like that. So I hope this helps, and yeah, cheers.